In an attempt to bring Tesla's Cybertruck Gigafactory to Oklahoma, Tulsa puts the Tesla logo on the most famous landmark of the city. The gold driller is an oil worker statue and stands 75 feet high, weighing 43,500 pounds. As I'm going to tell you this story, please let me know what you think about golden driller's face. They painted it as Elon Musk's face, and do you like it? I think it doesn't look like Elon Musk, but this is a way for them to get attention and get the national and international media report on this. And looks like Oklahoma is not bowing out to Texas, and Texas and Oklahoma are trying very hard to bring Tesla's next Cybertruck Gigafactory or Terafactory to the state. And in this video, I'm going to tell you about how Tesla Cybertruck Gigafactory contenders Oklahoma and Texas are trying really hard to woo Tesla CEO Elon Musk to bring the Cybertruck Gigafactory to their states. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Haria from TalkNews.com. It's a beautiful little rainy morning in Charlotte, North Carolina, and I'm going to start the day with this report. And if you are here for the first time, please subscribe to our channel, join our community, because you know that at this channel we report about 5-6 Tesla and electric car stories daily. So Oklahoma and Texas could be Tesla's top contenders for its Cybertruck Gigafactory or Terafactory if speculations prove accurate. Both states are trying really hard to woo Elon Musk. Governor Greg Abbott of Texas and Hidalgo County Judge Richard Cortez have already taken steps to convince Elon Musk to move to Texas. As news about Tesla in Texas started to spread, Oklahoma supporters rallied in Tulsa as well. Recently, Tulsa Mayor G.T. Binion of Tulsa upped the ante on Oklahoma's bid for Tesla's Cybertruck Gigafactory. He teased that if Tesla and Tulsa teamed up, the Cybertruck could be the local police vehicle, saying that, quote, it would only be right to buy local. Basically suggesting that if Tesla brought the Cybertruck to Tulsa Police Department would only use Cybertruck vehicles as police vehicles, and it would only be right to buy local. Following the Mayor Binion's lead, Tesla Owners Club of Oklahoma, called TOCO, Tesla Owners Club of Oklahoma, organized a rally to show Elon Musk why Tesla should choose Tulsa for its Cybertruck Gigafactory or Terafactory. TOCO planned a drive-by to about 20 landmarks in Oklahoma. According to local news outlet KJRH, TOCO will be filming the drive-by for its video titled Tulsa for Tesla. And G.T. Bunion, like I said, the mayor of Tulsa's entire tweet said, if Tesla and Tulsa team up to change the world, it would only be right to buy local Cybertruck. And he also tagged Tesla CEO Elon Musk. TOCO's convoy will be going to Box Center, Route 66, and the Golden Driller from downtown Tulsa, said TOCO's official Facebook page. One of Tulsa's biggest landmarks, the Golden Driller, went through some big changes, as you can see in these images, recently, to show the local community's support for bringing Tesla and its Cybertruck Gigafactory to Tulsa. The statue of the Golden Driller of Tulsa, the statue was painted to look like Elon Musk, and the Golden Driller's belt buckle went from saying Tulsa to Tesla. The electric car maker's logo, Tesla's logo, was drawn on the statue's chest as well. The Golden Driller is an oil worker statue and stands 75 feet high, weighing 43,500 pounds. Turning the statue from one representing an oil worker to one symbolizing the man at the helm of Tesla speaks volumes of change. At the base of the towering figure is an inscription that reads the following, quote, the Golden Driller, a symbol of the International Petroleum Exposition, dedicated to the men of the petroleum industry who by their vision have created from God's abundance a better life for mankind. End of the quote. Tesla's main mission seems to align well with the one stated in the Golden Driller's inscription, except that the company is trying to do the same with renewable energy. instead of petroleum. And that's a positive thing to do these things with renewable energy, right? When Elon Musk stated that Tesla could move its headquarters out of California, Texas welcomed the company with open arms. County Judge Cortez sent an official letter to Elon Musk inviting Tesla to move to Hidalgo. If you haven't seen that, you can look in our channel and you can see those reports how Texas welcomes Texas. Shortly after that, Governor of Texas, Greg Abbott, and Elon Musk discussed the possibility of Tesla's move to Texas. After that, talk of a gigafactory in Austin, Texas spread very quickly. However, Oklahoma's recent attempt to woo Elon Musk and Tesla have shown that the state isn't bowing out to the Cybertruck Gigafactory fight just yet. The Golden Driller's latest change may be proof enough that Tulsa is ready for change and that Tesla can really contribute to that change, turning the economy from petroleum-based economy to renewable-based economy. I will try to do another report later today about what my state, North Carolina, is doing. Apparently, they have been flying a banner plane to woo Tesla to North Carolina. By the way, Charlotte is a great location as well, so Tesla may look into that too. Friends, welcome back again. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Let me know what you think about this statue and this change that they're doing, and what you think about Tesla's move. Will it be Austin, Texas, or Tulsa, Oklahoma? Let's continue the discussion in the comment section below. In the meantime, good morning to everyone, if it's morning there where you are, or good afternoon or good evening where you are, because we know people are listening to us from Australia. And have a wonderful day. Take good care of each other, friends, and stay safe, and God bless you all. See you soon in our next report.